Jumping right in, EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It's not magic, it's just science. Hundreds of clinical trials have shown that tapping on specific points on the body calms the nervous system by instantly sending a signal telling your mind and body that whatever threat you are feeling, it's gone and all is well. EFT helps to lower cortisol, which is your main stress hormone, reduce anxiety and depression, strengthen your immune system, support trauma recovery, and create real, long-lasting change. People sometimes ask me, do I have to believe in it for it to work? And the answer is no. It is not about belief. It's not placebo. It's about biology. In fact, the actual points you tap on matter. In one study, they gave people instructions to tap on random points instead of the ones that they knew worked, just to see if there was a placebo effect. And guess what? They did not receive the same benefit as the group who used the actual tapping point. So the right tapping points actually do make a difference. It really is just how your nervous system works. It has no choice but to respond in the way that it does.